Using the axes below, sketch the graph of y equals cos x for values of minus 180 to 180. So we need to go across here to 180. So remember, we go in steps of 90. So I can do 3 centimeters to represent 90 and another 3 centimeters to represent 180. Okay, and the same then we go backwards. So if I go back 3 again, that will be minus 90. And that'll be minus 180. So remember, the cos graph goes between 1 and minus 1. So we've got 1 here. So height of minus 1 and a depth of minus 1. So it's a case then of working out each of the cos values at each of these points. So cos 0 is 1. Okay. Cos 90 is 0. And cos 180 is minus 1. Okay. Similarly then, with cos minus 90, we can put that in our calculator. Okay, if this is a calculator paper, you can just check these, can't you? So you can put minus 90 in here, and we get 0. And similarly then, when you put in minus 180, check that for you. So we'll go back. We get minus 1, okay? So then it kind of looks like that, yeah, like again zigzagging. But remember, this has got to be a wave, so we need to make this look wavy. Okay, so maybe we can start here, just simply like that. So it's curvy. Turn the page around to help us. Okay, and then similarly then in the negative angles, that will do. So it looks a bit like a bell shape, doesn't it? Okay. This essentially is the cos graph between minus 180 and 180. Okay, that's what we've done there using our calculator to help us. So then it says find all the solutions where cos x is minus 0.829. Now minus 0.829 will be around there roughly, won't it? Okay, so what we can do then is draw a line across to see where minus 0.829, where the curve is minus 0.829, and it's in two places, isn't it? There's one here and there's one here. So all we've got to do then is get our calculator and try and work out what one of these is. So if I type in x equals, so remember you take the cos over the other side, cos to the minus 1 of minus 0.829. We get 145.996. I mean, it virtually is 146 degrees, isn't it? They've probably chosen this number to make it nice for us, so we'll just round it out to 146. And of course, that's what that angle will be there, won't it? That will be 146. We can see clearly that's going to be that one. And then by symmetry, this one, I'm sure you can see what it's going to be. The slide down to here will be exactly the same as the slide down to here. Okay? So if that's 146, this is going to be negative 146. So the two answers are going to be 146 and negative 146. So you could just leave it like that, or you could say x equals. We've got two answers there.